Well, just over 2 weeks ago, Maryland became the 24th state to allow the recreational sale of marijuana.
It's now legal for anyone over the age of 21 to have up to 1.5 ounces of pot, 12 grams of concentrated cannabis, and up to 2 plants for personal growing.
It's also legal now to share weed with friends, but you have to have a license to sell it. Another major change with legalization, police officers can no longer search somebody's vehicle or belongings just because they smell pot.
Fox 45's Maxine Stryker talked with state's attorneys who fear more pot could mean more guns on the street.
As recreational marijuana became legal in Maryland this month, another law also went into effect that some say is a hindrance to police and a danger to society.
I think we do have enough laws on the books. I just think we have to go back and tweak some of the ones we changed in 2022. House
Bill 1071 says law enforcement officers will no longer be allowed to use the odor of marijuana as probable cause to search a vehicle. While supporters of the bill say the new law will help eliminate cases of racial profiling, critics like Baltimore County State's Attorney Scott Schellenberger say it may only lead to more crime.
Very often when we do those searches, we find illegal guns. And now they won't be able to do that.
Schellenberger says marijuana is driving a lot of crime in the county, and the number of guns found in cars from a scenario like this is frightening.
Every drug murder that I can recall in the last several years has always been over marijuana. It has not been over any other drugs.
In Montgomery County, State's Attorney John McCarthy told our sister station 7 News, when we are talking about searching cars, of all of the guns that came out of cars last year in Montgomery County, 75% of those guns were obtained because officers smelled pot, searched the car, and found a gun. And in Calvert County, State's Attorney Robert Harvey agrees, saying the law erased decades of precedent established by the Maryland appellate courts. The real problem is that such searches often led to the recovery of illegal firearms. The new law will put more illegal guns in our communities and make them more accessible to juveniles. And in Wicomico County, State's Attorney Jamie Dykes told Fox 45, we need to restore law enforcement's ability to keep our communities safe by revisiting House Bill 1071. A majority of the illegal guns law enforcement takes off our streets are discovered during vehicle searches, which will be greatly reduced by this bill. Now, with legalization, police are preparing for an influx of prepared drivers.
Probably smoked about 1.5 grams so far.
In June, Baltimore County police even trained to spot such drivers, having them smoke while officers looked on. But Schellenberger says police will still be working with one less tool in their toolbox, thanks to the new law.
The analogy is alcohol is legal, but the odor of alcohol allows an officer to do the next couple of things. So why is suddenly the odor of marijuana not equivalent to alcohol? It just doesn't make any sense.
In Baltimore, Maxine Stryker, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.